Hi guys, today we're working against the clock. We've got to read these words and find the right word for the picture. We've got 10 seconds. Let's start reading. G. Nope, that's not right. I. G. Yay! We found it with time to go. Let's make sure it's right. It is. Let's move on to the next one. The clock starts again at 10 seconds. That's not right. I don't think so. Pin. Yay, we got it. Ant. Wow, we got it straight away. We've got loads of time on the clock. Let's see if we're right. Top. Tipped. Tap. Yay, we got it. Pat. Pan. Yes. G. Dog. D. I. G. Dig. D. O. G. Dog. Dog. Thanks so much, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.